Guys, where are we going? I'm vlogging tonight. We are headed to Dude Perfect. We got these tickets like a year and a half ago. Kept getting canceled because of COVID, so we're going to see him right now.
My name is DJ Mike LV, and I am your DP DJ for this evening. Sit back, relax, enjoy the music. The show
These seats are amazing.
When I say dude, you say perfect. Dude!
Perfect!
Dude!
Perfect!
Dude!
Perfect! 4, 3,
making purple cool since 1987. He promises podium finishes and no score fast, happy moments. Please welcome the man whose nickname is no sense, Garrett, the Purple Hosers. Team Corey fans, let's go! Get loud! Healthy beard that thrills the fans and annoys his wife with the striking resemblance to Ned Forrester. This dude has more championship wins than Tom Brady and Michael Jordan combined. Fans of all ages, it's time to lose your minds.
Yes, they do have their oat beads, jalapeno and bacon. I promised the guys that they insisted that I push these. Yeah, dude,
pressure put on people that in order to be happy and in order to be successful and feel like you've made it in life, you've got to have a lot of money, or you've got to have an incredible job, or you have to accomplish so many things, or you've got to have once-in-a-lifetime experiences or relationships. And as guys who have spent the last 12 years checking all of those boxes beyond our wildest imaginations, I can promise you standing on this stage tonight that any of those things in any amount don't compare to the joy that we have in knowing Jesus Christ is our personal Lord and Savior.
yeah. Austin, you have fun?
Yeah. My favorite part was the Rage Monster.
You guys had fun?
That was my favorite part.
Rage Monster? Yeah, I mean, I think that's everybody's favorite part, even Uncle Matt's.
Happy night before Halloween. So Nevaeh wants to be a
Dead bloody bride.
dead bloody bride. So I'm going to, we got this blood. Actually, this blood, I know this will go up after Halloween, but if you're ever looking for some good Halloween blood, this Bloody Mary blood is really good. Okay, so here's what I was thinking. I was thinking we could cut some of it, and one sleeve maybe rip, totally.
So then I would have to have like a long sleeve under it?
No,
or?
it would just be maybe from here, but rip, look like somebody's ripping it off. No? Yeah? Okay. First of all, maybe let's try down here. Look at that blood! It's so good, you guys. Okay. Do some. Look at it drip. Yeah! Oh, it got on you. She's taking a shower tonight, but you got stabbed right in the heart.
We have more. Remember, we got more blood, I think. Cookies.
Yep. Got more from Target. I don't know if it's as good as this blood.
I don't know where that one is.
It's like we have some in the order isn't the best. Okay, face me. Eve, look at her for a second. Okay. Ah, it's not working! I thought this would work better.
You got it on my face!
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Ooh, oh, yee. Oh my god. No more things. It's all empty now. Come over. Imagine little kids. Oh gosh. Little kids are gonna be scared of me. Little kids are gonna be scared of me. Super scary. Ray, you're even scared of me right now. So
No, I'm not.
Are you vlogging her, Greg?
Yep.
Ethan picked up Crumbl cookie. He actually took Poppy to the vet. She is, how many pounds is Poppy?
I forgot.
6?
0.4.
6.5 pounds. Okay, so we got monster cookie, pumpkin
Roll.
roll, dirt cake,
Dirt cake, yep.
and
That's sugar featuring Mother's Halloween circus animal.
looks interesting. I'm not sure how I feel about that one. This one had
There
an
was
animal
also
cookie on the top.
Sugar.
Pumpkin candy.
Pumpkin candy, but you've had their sugar and you're like,
Yeah, I don't love their sugar cookies. But, okay, so the monster cookie we're real excited about. Why don't you go first?
which one should I try?
These are
first?
all, I think you should try pumpkin.
Yeah, I think so.
This one looks like a cake, you guys. So this, it literally looks like a pumpkin cake.
Like pumpkin bar, yeah.
A pumpkin bar, yeah.
Now try that.
Yep,
I'm pretty much as a pumpkin bar.
pumpkin bar.
Cord.
Oh,
It's very aftertaste is like a spice, like some pumpkin spice seasoning. Like it's a little bit more pumpkin spicy.
monster cookie. We love a good monster cookie.
Yes,
we
we
have a
do.
good monster cookie gluten-free recipe. If you guys are interested, I'll put that link below. This is what she looks like. This one's warmed.
That's a really good monster cookie.
I love a good monster cookie, man.
We've
Okay,
been waiting for them to do a monster cookie.
we really have
I
been.
love
Yum.
Today.
That is really good. Of course they have to do monster cookie for Halloween. Okay, Eve, try this dirt cake one. This one, I don't feel like I'm gonna like. I'm not the
It's gonna
biggest
be
chocolate.
very rich.
Yeah. Gray, you gonna have a bite of this one? Chocolate dirt cake.
You don't like chocolate, Gray.
We got Nevaeh over here, her gluten-free Nadia's cupcake, which is delicious. Here you go, Gray. Ooh, that was a nice bite.
Wow.
You like chocolate. He's a chocolate little
It's so good.
chocolate.
It's just
All right.
rich. I mean, I love chocolate.
Like what do we rate this one, Ethan? Of 10.
I don't know, I'm really digging it right now. 8.5.
Wow. Okay, I'm gonna have a bite.
I mean, you like it, it's just too rich.
I like it. I could definitely go without the frosting, the chocolate frosting.
Yeah.
I would give it a 5.5,
Whoa.
6. I don't know. I just wouldn't eat it. It's very rich for me.
I guess depends on the mood that I'm in.
Honestly, if it was just the cookie, can you scrape off a little bit of the frosting and I'll try just the cookie? I feel like that would be really good. Look at that. She is. See, that I would eat. It tastes like a brownie.
It's like a, yeah.
Oh my gosh, that would be so good.
See, this is like,
Hard. All right. Well, this is the sugar cookie. Oh, she's a crumbly sugar cookie. This one says, normally it says online to serve it cold, chilled, or warmed. This one says just say served. So
I have low expectations for this one. Tastes like a sugar cookie.
I love a good, is it a good sugar cookie or a bad sugar cookie? It says 0 minutes. I don't know what that means.
That means it's less than a minute left.
Oh.
Yeah, it's like their sugar cookie we've had before. You don't like it as much. Like you like a good sugar cookie.
This,
You like this better?
I like this better than their
Because
regular.
It has sprinkles in it.
No, because it doesn't have the almond frosting. That's why I don't like their sugar cookie. This is like, I could do without this hard frosting. It's like really hard. So me just being like, I could do without all the frosting this week.